Hey everybody, Matt here from Allstate Insurance. Just wanted to make another video. I know it's been a while since I made the last one. It's been a crazy summer. Hopefully you all had a nice, enjoyable summer, relaxing summer. As most of you know, have 5 kids, so we're back in school, back in the swing of things in our household. But just want to make another video because we're getting a lot of questions, and we've gotten a lot of questions about auto rates and your premiums rates going up. And if you feel like your rates have gone up a little bit, the answer is that they have, and here's why. Kind of a little bit of background, kind of what's happened. 2017 has seen every insurance carrier in the state of California has pretty much taken a rate increase this year. Geico, Progressive, Farmers, State Farm, you name it, they've taken a rate increase this year. And the reason why is primarily it's because of distracted drivers, kind of like me right now. I guess I'm setting a bad example, but hey, this is hands-free, so this is totally legit with me making this video, doing it this way. If you guys have seen Dave Ramsey, I think that guy's a stud, and I've really listened. He talks a lot about getting out of debt and investing and things like that, and he makes some videos in his car like this, so he's the one who gave me an idea. So hopefully I won't crash my car. And by the way, I'm always curious when he's driving what kind of car he's in. I drive a Toyota Tundra. If any of you are curious, it's a 2006 Tundra is what I drive. I just, for many years, was always like bothered by not being able to like pick stuff up at Home Depot, or if I needed a truck, have to borrow one from a friend. So finally I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy a truck. So that's what I roll in these days. But anyway, so I've worked for Allstate since 2009, and I've never seen Allstate take a rate increase ever. It's not easy for an insurance company to take a rate increase. They actually have to apply for what's called a rate filing through the Department of Insurance. And once you do that, then you are either approved or not approved the rate increase. The commissioner and the Department of Insurance, they don't just let insurance companies raise rates just because they feel like it. But there have been the frequency is what they call like claims activity, which again, distracted, texting while driving, and just the cars that we drive are a lot more expensive. And so that's why literally every insurance company has taken a rate increase. We took a 6.99% rate increase back in May. And so has everybody else. And so, my personal belief is, the insurance industry, it's a regulated industry. Prices go up, they go down, they stay pretty consistent for the most part. But, 1 year Allstate's less expensive, and the next year, and Farmers is higher, and then AAA goes down and Allstate goes up a little bit, and rather than getting, bounced around like a pinball and switching from company to company, I found that you find a company that you like, that you trust, a good brand, and an agency. Hopefully you've had a good experience with me and my staff, Frederica and Ruby and Carolina, David. I think we do a really, really good job and we take our job seriously, and we really, really strive to see how can we make the experience better for our customers each and every day. And you stick with one company, and you know what, over time you come out ahead. There may be 1 year where maybe you're paying a little bit more. If you spent half a day calling and getting quotes all day long, you may be able to save a couple of dollars, but then you switch, and a year or two down the road, that insurance company raises their rates a little bit. So again, you find a company you like, that you trust, and you stick with them. Over time, I know and believe and have seen you come out ahead. So like I said, we did take a little bit of a rate increase this year. It's not something that Allstate likes to do. It's not something it makes a habit of doing. Allstate's been in business for over 85 years. It knows and understands that you raise the rates on people and it sends people shopping, and that's not the goal and what we're trying to accomplish. So I definitely appreciate having you guys on board. As a small business owner, I'm completely dependent upon my customer base, completely commission only 1099 through Allstate based on the customers that I have. And so, you know, my rates, I have Allstate, I have insurance with Allstate as well. My rates went up as well. There's nothing I can do to prevent that. But so I can't always guarantee the rate, but I can guarantee that if you call my office, I'm going to be there. I'm going to answer the phone, my staff, that we're going to take good care of you and do the best thing we can to possibly. So if you ever want to do like an insurance review, make sure you're getting all the discounts possible that you qualify for. Then, you know, definitely we love doing that at all times. Also, we have a customer appreciation Round Table Pizza. I rented out the Round Table Pizza here close to my office if you're able to make it. I know some of you don't live here in the Sacramento area, but we're gonna have a customer appreciation dinner, and bring your family, enjoy a meal with us. We're gonna have raffle prizes and a bunch of giveaways and stuff like that. But definitely appreciate having you guys on board. So if you want to know more about the rate increase that has happened this year, let us know. We can give you some more background. You know, I don't like it as much as you don't like it, but I've also noticed, man, if you go just to buy some food, and you know, everything's going up. The price of everything seems to be going up like crazy. So that's just kind of how it is. So have a great week. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Keep in touch, and definitely appreciate having you guys on board. We're taking a family photo. You guys know I have 5 kids, my wife and I, and we keep having to postpone it, but we're gonna get a nice new updated family photo. My 2-year-old Reese, he's 2. My oldest daughter is Gwen, she's almost 14. So I'm excited to get an updated family photo out there to everybody. And keep in touch. Have a great week. Adios. Talk to you later.